Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back from Alessio, Virtual Insanity Effects Insanity Films here. Before I start this video guys, please do me a big favor, it's really important because the YouTube policy has changed once again and I lost my monetization. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it please. It means a lot to me because I need only a few hours to get monetized again. I don't make much money out of YouTube. Actually I got a first check and it was only £170 UK after so many months. So you can imagine how much I make from YouTube when I was monetized. Now I'm not anymore. I was probably make $20 a month. So it's not gonna hurt your finger if you're gonna click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification. We can proceed with this review guys. Thank you so much. And today I just want to share my experience from moving from an iPhone to a Google Pixel. My first iPhone was the iPhone 3G and then I moved to the iPhone 5 and then iPhone 6s. Why the hell would I change from so many years with Apple iPhone to a Google Pixel? First of all, I wasn't really happy with Apple because you don't have the freedom to change the interface, the icons, move things around. It's pretty standard and it's kind of locked. You have to deal with what you get from the package and that's what Apple does. But before the Google Pixel came out, I wasn't really into moving to other phones. In fact, I was really looking forward to the iPhone X. But after watching so many videos and reviews and comparison, I think the iPhone X is kind of a beta iPhone, it's a beta phone. It could work in the future, but still it's not really fully working. So I thought to myself, why don't just try a new phone? I mean, what the worst can happen? You're not gonna be happy, keep it for a while and then move back to Apple and the iPhones. After many months again, when the Google Pixel 2, which is the one I have right now and I'm filming with it, I was really curious and very intrigued by the design and also by the freedom that you have of customizing your phone and all that stuff. And this for me is a sort of a review after 1 month from iPhone 6s to Google Pixel 2 XL. And my thoughts are very confused so far. There are things that I'm still not used to working with the Google Pixel 2 and the list, it's pretty big. For example, the swiping. It's kind of a strange feeling when you use an iPhone for so many years and then you move to a Google Pixel because the gestures especially are kind of tricky and the 3D touch, the Force Touch, it's really annoying because you think it's there so you kind of press and then you're waiting for the pop-up, but instead it's a long press on the Google Pixel 2. Also sometimes fingers do things that are not supposed to because you were doing it on an iPhone and they don't work on a Google Pixel 2. Performance-wise, I prefer the Google Pixel 2. It's very slick, it's very smooth, it's very fast. The camera is bloody amazing as you can see right now. And not for my face. There are a few things that I miss from using an iPhone and some of them are, for example, swiping from left to right and from right to left to navigate through pages, and that was really handy and I do that all the time still on the Google Pixel 2 and I'm like, come on, swipe, swipe, and it doesn't. And you have to use the little arrow at the bottom of the phone, which is kind of annoying. I also do miss the home button a lot. The lack of the home button for me, it's kind of essential because it gives you freedom to go back to the home screen or close an application right away. In this case, with the Google Pixel 2, you have to swipe up and then press the virtual home button. So it's double effort. I know it's like less than a second, but it's kind of annoying thing to do. So this is one of the things that I miss from the iPhone 6s is the home button. Another thing that I do miss from the iPhone is the camera roll. And in the Google Pixel 2, you don't have a camera roll. You have folders like on a computer and you don't really see them unless you download certain application that allows you to manage folders, files and all that stuff. On the Google Pixel 2, you have Google Photos, which is unlimited. They upload automatically and they sync with your G Drive and all your Google accounts, and that's amazing. But it's kind of annoying that I don't have the camera roll that I can go through it and do my things like in the iPhone, so that I do miss that as well. The music player is pretty much the same. I don't miss the Apple Music and the Google Player is fine. I just literally have to press play and play my songs. And also it's pretty easy because you drag and drop your music into the folders and it's done. One thing that I don't miss from the iPhone and Apple is iTunes and all the crap that comes with it. It's a lot of files, it's huge, it's bloody unbelievable, takes a lot of space in your computer just to sync sync your phone. It's crazy. With Google Pixel 2, you have your backup on your Google Drive, and for me it's kind of easy because I use everything from Google, my Gmail account, Google Chrome, and all the products from Google. So having a Google Pixel 2, for me, it was the right choice. So far, I have no regrets. I'm still trying to figure something out, of course, some new things, especially one thing that I don't like. Another thing that I don't like is that you have the vibration separately in every app. So anytime you get a notification or a call or a message, it always vibrates. And you have to set this off from individual ones. So I don't really like that. I actually had a chat with the Google's customer service, and it was pretty useless, to be honest with you. But what can you do? As I said before, there are more compatible applications if you're using a lot of Google products, so in that case it's fine. But for example, some of the apps that used to work on my iPhone, they don't work on the Google Pixel 2. If you purchase some of the apps in the Apple Store, it's not necessarily they will work on your Google Pixel. So you have to bear in mind that you can lose kind of some money if you bought some application from the Apple Store and then you don't have them in your new Google Pixel. So my conclusion is that I'm still 1 month in and I'm still learning. There is a learning curve that you have to get from the Google Pixel 2. It's totally different. It's a new world, but I have to say that I was able to move all my stuff from my iPhone 6s to the Google Pixel 2 with the cable included in the kit in no time. I had all my contacts, my emails, my accounts, all the applications, photos, because they were uploaded on my Google Photos already, so I had no problems with that. Other than that, we have to bear in mind that the Google Pixel is only at the second model, so there is a long way to go. The Google Pixel camera is the best camera in smartphone ever. And you can tell right now, I mean, the colors, the sharpness, the images are amazing. The photos, the portrait mode, front-facing camera and the back camera. I'm using Filmy Pro right now, so I have to say I'm blown away by the camera. So we have to bear in mind, again, that this is only the second model and the next models will be amazing. Probably with wireless charging and many more features. Who knows? We will see. Right, this is my 1 month review after switching from iPhone 6s to Google Pixel 2 XL. And I will make another video probably, maybe in another month or two, and see how it goes. As usual, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, you like and share, and also watch my other videos, the comedies, especially the short films. One last thing to say, Insanity Films out!